Hey everyone, it is Couponing with D and I am back with another video. Today I am at CVS. I have a couple of 8 off of 40s, 1 7 off of 70, but I'm not going to shop all of that today. I just got off work and I'm tired, so I'm trying to get home. I stopped in by CVS to get some paper products and laundry items. I'll be pairing my laundry items up with digital coupons, but I do not have any insert or digitals for my paper products. Stay tuned to see what I get. So this week at CVS, they have a spend 30, get 10 extra bucks back, and I am going to pick up some paper products. I picked up one of these cottonelles here and one of these here. They're both priced at $10.49 each. And then I'm gonna come down here and pick up one of these vidiq items. They are also $10.49. I do not have any insert or digitals for these items, so I will be paying for those regular price, and then if there's on coupon.com or something like that where I could just get the cash back for it, I'll do it that way. Otherwise, it's just those 3 items. Then I'm gonna switch over here and I'm gonna pick up a couple of laundry items. This week they are spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. So I picked up one of these. They are $5.49. The limit of this deal is 1. I have a $1 digital for that one. And then, see that little gangway back there? They're priced at $5.49 this week. I have a $1 digital off that one too. Then I'm gonna pull down this way a little bit more. I got these Bounce Wrinkle Guard sheets here. They are $6.99. I have a $1 digital off it. And then we're gonna go down here and we're gonna pick up one of these Gang dryer sheets as well. They are $5.49, and I also have a $1 digital off it.
Let's get right into it. This week at CVS, they have a spend 30, get 10 extra bucks deal on paper products. I picked up 2 Cottonelle at $10.49 each and 1 Viva at $10.49 for a total of $31.47. I then picked up 1 Gang Liquid at $5.49, 1 Gang Dryer Sheets at $5.49, 1 Tide Pods at $5.49, and the Bounce Dryer Sheets, be careful, they rang up $8.59. I caught it and had them do a price adjustment to $6.99 like it was posted. That total came up to $23.46. I had $12 in coupons. I had a $1 for the Tide, $1 for the Gang, $1 for the Bounce, $1 for the other Gang, and then I had an 8 off of 40. So I combined the 2 deals together. It gave me a total of $54.93 before taxes or coupons. After the $12 in coupons, it brought it down to $43.93. I used $16.20 in extra bucks. My final cost before taxes was $26.73, and I got back 15 extra bucks. Now let me say this. I don't know what happened in the system because I was over the $20. I got every item that was included in that spend 20, get 5, and the 5 extra bucks did not automatically kick out. I'm not quite sure what happened there. But they had to force print those 5 extra bucks, and I did get the 10 extra bucks for the spend 30. Now, the second deal I did was a repeated deal for the paper deal, so that came up to $31.47. I picked up the Downy Unstoppables for $12.99, and the Tide Liquid was also $12.99. I paired those, for a total of $25.98. I then had a $3 digital for the Tide, and I had a $2 digital for the Downy Unstoppables. Then I had an 8 off of 40. So that brought my coupon total to $13. After coupons, it came down to $44.45. I paid with $20.13 in extra bucks. And then my out of pocket after that was $24.32. And I did get the 15 extra bucks back. 10 for the paper deal, 5 for the laundry deal. That one did kick out automatically, so I'm not quite sure what happened with the first one. That is all I have for you. Don't forget to submit it to Fetch and P&G every day. Otherwise, this is all I have for you on this video. For now, see you on the next one. Bye.